everyone. Welcome back to this English language course. In the last lecture, we studied the use of the indefinite articles a and an. In today's class, we are going to study the use of the definite article the. Today, we are going to study how to make use of the in the sentences. I had already told you that the is called the definite article as it points out a particular person or thing. Here I have written some rules as well as examples. Please pay attention, watch the whole video so that you will understand. Okay, let's start then. See, I have written the is used. Number 1, to indicate particular person or thing. You can say particular persons or specific persons or things. The example is look at the boy, or you can say look at the boys. Okay, so whenever you talk about any particular person or thing, you should make use of the article the. Here we are talking about a particular boy or particular boys, and so the is used. Otherwise, we can say there is a boy. Okay, in general, when we make use of any noun, that time we make use of the article a. Fine then. Now, see this. It is used before, means the is used before a noun when it is mentioned second time. When a noun is mentioned, when a noun is used in the sentence first time, we make use of the article a. But when it is repeated, we have to make use of the article the. For example, I saw dash man. Here, we should make use of the article a. But now, the reference of this man is there in the second sentence. And wherever there is a reference of the same noun in the second or the next sentences, we should make use of the article the. Okay, so this is the difference here. When the noun occurs in the sentence first time, we should make use of the article a. When it is repeated, we should make use of the article the. Okay, see this here. I saw a man. The man was very poor. So which article is used here? The. Because the reference of the same man has come there in the next sentence. It happens in the stories too. Whenever you read a story, for example, there was a crow. The crow was very thirsty. Okay, whenever the crow is there mentioned in the next sentences, we make use of the article the. See here now, the is used before a noun when it represents a whole class. For example, the dog is a faithful animal. Why the is used? Generally, we make use of the article a before dog. But what has happened here? This dog represents a whole class. Here we are talking about all dogs. Okay, all dogs. We are talking about the whole class, and that's why the is used. Find it. See here. Number 4. It is used, that is the is used before a noun which is only one in nature. Some things in nature are unique. They are only one in the world, and so we should make use of the article the there. For example, the sun, the moon, the earth, like this. See here now. Look at the moon. Which article is used here? The moon. In the same way, the sky, the earth. Means for are only one in nature, that time we should make use of the article the. Then, before the ordinals. What means ordinals? Ordinals means first, second, third, fourth, like this. If the ordinal numbers are there, before these numbers also, we should make use of the article the. For example, see here, ordinals, he is the. He is the first, okay, or he is the second. Like this we have to make use of the. See here now, we should make use of the definite article the before a name of road. For example, Gandhi Road. We should say the Gandhi Road. Here we are talking about a particular name of the road, and that's why we should make use of the article the. See here, I have written the. The next thing is number 7. We should make use of the definite article the before a noun denoting nation or race. If a noun denotes nation or race, before it we should make use of the article the. For example, the English are industrious. English means what? English people. Here we are talking about English people. And so, we should make use of the article the. English means what? This English denotes nation. And so, we have made use of the article the. If we don't make use of the before English, it denotes language. And whenever English is used as language, we should not make use of any article there. English is a popular language. You can write in this way. Do not say the English or a English. Is this clear? Okay. Now, see the next one. No article before a proper noun means we should not use any article before a proper noun. As a rule, we should not use any article before a proper noun. But here are some exceptions. I have written here, but following are the exceptions. Before these nouns, we should make use of the. I am reading what I have written. No article before a proper noun, but following are the exceptions. Use the before the names of holy books. Okay? We should make use of the article the before the names of holy books, newspapers, ships, spacecraft, famous buildings, rivers, seas, oceans, mountain ranges, names of countries collectively formed, and an adjective to represent a whole class. So these are the things, or you can say the nouns, before which we should make use of the article the definite article the. Let us see the examples. So, use the before the names of holy books. For example, dash Ramayana, dash Quran. We should say the Ramayana, the Quran. Number 2, before the names of newspapers. For example, the Times of India. Okay, the Times of India. Then, the Indian Express. In this way, whenever you talk about the newspapers, before the names, we should make use of the article the. Fine then. Number 3, ships. Before the names of the ships, we should make use of the article the. For example, the Titanic. You are here talking about a particular ship, Titanic. The name of the ship is given and so make use of the article the there. Okay, then spacecraft. Before the name of the spacecraft, we should make use of the article the. Here I have written Aryabhatta. It is the name of the spacecraft and so use the before the name. Next one is famous building. Whenever you talk about famous buildings, you should make use of the article the. For example, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, etc. Like this. Then rivers. Whenever you talk about the rivers, for example, a river. Here, river. This noun is used in general. But when you talk about a specific river or a particular river, for example, Ganga, you should say the Ganga. Fine? The Ganga, the Yamuna. Fine then? See here. Then, seeds. If you are talking about seeds, before the names of seeds also, you should make use of the article the. Okay? See here. The Arabian Sea, for example. Then, before the names of the oceans, you should make use of the article the. For example, the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, like this. Then, before the mountain ranges, the Himalayas, the Alps, etc. Okay, not for singular noun, not the Himalaya, you should make use of the article the before the mountain ranges. For example, the Himalayas. Don't say the Himalaya. Say the Himalayas, the Alps. Don't say the Alp. Okay, it is the Alps. So, is this clear? Before the mountain ranges, you should make use of the article the. It should not be a singular noun. Fine then. Okay, it is the, here we are talking about mountain ranges. Not only one mountain. Fine. Then, names of countries collectively formed. If the countries are collectively formed, it is a collection. If any country, if you are talking about any collectively formed countries, that time you should make use of the article the. For example, USA, United States of America. In the same way, UK, United Kingdom. Fine then. So, before USA, you should make use of the article the. In the same way, before UK, you should make use of the article the. So, the USA, the UK, like this. Fine? Okay. The next is before an adjective to represent whole class, a whole class. So, use the before the names of. Means if you are talking about an adjective to represent a whole class, that time also you should make use of the article the. For example, see here, the rich are not always happy. Here, the rich means what? Rich people. Fine. So you are talking about all rich people. Here, rich is an adjective. An adjective to represent a whole class. Here, rich represents all rich people. Okay? And that's why we can make use of the article the. The rich are not always happy. So, in this way, we should make use of the article, or I say the definite article the in the sentences. Fine then, I hope that you have understood this. For better understanding, please go to the description box. There I have given many sentences. sentences. Go through all the sentences so that the things which are not clear will be cleared. Your doubts will be clear.